Hello everyone. So in this video we'll discuss a very important aptitude questions pertaining to the kind that we often see in various um, placement examination, be it for many MNCs, be it for companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, or TechM or any other IT companies. So these are the kind of questions that you will come across in various placement drives in the general aptitude section. So we'll take a look at a few of those in this particular video. So here, let's take a look at the first question pertaining to the video itself. So it states, a student got twice as many sums wrong as he got right. If he attempted 48 sums in all, how many did he solve correctly? So okay, so our key idea here would be that he got twice as many wrong as he got right. Okay, and now he attempted 48 sums in all. So let the sums he solved correctly equal to x. So therefore, since he got twice as many wrong, therefore sums he got wrong will be twice of x. Okay. Now it's given that he attempted 48 sums in all. So therefore 2x plus x, that is wrong plus right, will give us 48, or total questions attempted, which would in turn give us 3x equal to 48. So therefore x equal to 16. So that is, he attempted 16 sums in total. I hope this is clear. Now let's take a look at another question pertaining to the similar sets of questionnaires that come across. So let's take a look at question number 2. Okay, so now this question is question number 2. We have question on the days of the week. So let's take a look at the question itself. A man fixed an appointment to meet the manager. Manager asked him to come 2 days after. Okay, appointment asked him to come 2 days after the day before the day after tomorrow. If today is Friday, when will the manager expect to see him? So okay, so let me just list out all the days. Say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so now the day which we'll be focusing on is this is today. Okay, today. Now we are told 2 days after the day before the day after tomorrow. So tomorrow will be Saturday. This is tomorrow. Okay, and therefore Sunday will be day after tomorrow. Okay, now one day before day after tomorrow, so that is will be redirected back to Saturday again, because the before Sunday we again have Saturday, and 2 days after that, so again it will go forward with Sunday and Monday, where Monday being our answer. So I hope this is clear. Initially we started off with today, then tomorrow we headed to Saturday, day after tomorrow being Sunday, one day before day after tomorrow being again Saturday, and 2 days after that, that is Monday. Sunday and Monday is the final answer. So the manager will expect him on Monday. So I hope this is clear. So with that said, let's take a look at another similar question pertaining to general aptitude for this kind of placement papers. So yeah, again we have another important question pertaining to number of people. So let's take a look. There is a merry-go-round race going on. One person says 1/3 of those in front of me and 3/4 of those behind me gives me the total number of children in the race. So find the total number of children that took part in the race. So Suppose, let me give you a scenario as far as this particular case is concerned. Say there are n number of people in a race, okay? This is the midpoint. So total number of people, if we leave this particular out, would be n minus 1, okay? So n minus 1 will be the total number of people if we exclude this person out. So he says 1/3 will be in front of him, so 1/3 of n minus 1, and 3/4 behind him, 3/4 of n minus 1, because we are not counting this person in, because he is the narrator of the entire condition. So similarly, let's try to approach this particular question with the similar concept in mind. So suppose we have let the total children be x, okay? So therefore, as per question, if we leave out the narrator, the person, we have x minus 1 people, x minus 1 children, okay? So now, as per the question, 1/3 in front of him means 1/3 x minus 1 plus 3/4 behind him, 3/4 x minus 1 will give us the total number of children, which will be equal to x, okay? So this can be further written as 1/3 of x plus 3/4 of x minus x equal to 1/3 plus 3/4. If we write this further, so 12, if we take simply, so 4x plus 12y, what do we have? 4 is 9, so my value will be 9. 4x plus 9x minus 12x by 12 equals to 12, 4 plus 9. This gets cancelled, 13. This is x equal to 13. So therefore there are total 30 children. So I hope this is clear to you, the three questions that we have discussed in the video so far. So all these questions are basically pertaining to different aptitude questions which we come across in various placement papers or drive. So we'll continue the series wherein we'll be discussing various types of aptitude questions that we come across on the previous year papers that we have seen across the placement papers of various companies like Microsoft, Google, or different IT softwares in Amazon or any other IT software companies in general. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.